Hi, today I'm talking about mistakes, wrong grammar, pronunciations, and some awkward pauses. Because earlier I felt ashamed of making errors while speaking, but today I learned something important, that mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers, and I'm not fluent yet. I'm still learning, and that's okay. This channel is not about perfect English, it's about courage, consistency, and growth day by day. If you are learning English and feel scared to speak, so this video is for you. And yeah, listen, subscribe this channel Cryptic Spirit, and don't quit, practice with me and grow together, because I am here to practice, to giving the environment of speaking. So, if you're watching this video from Instagram or Facebook, then follow this page. Radhe Radhe.